In this context, I am lending my voice as a national leader and patriot to urge all citizens, no matter your political leaning, to work closely with the government and the national COVID-19 response team to contain the spread of the disease and in so doing, save lives.
With this plea, political leader of the National Democratic Congress, NDC, Franka Bernadine, implored on Grenadians to take individual responsibility for our safety. She highlights that during the March 23rd meeting with the Prime Minister, a consensus was reached to continue cooperating with the Minister of Health and the COVID-19 team in educating the nation on the disease. Coming from that meeting, NDC also nominated their representatives, Lennox Andrews, Cecilia Ann John, and Kennedy Roberts, to the National Committee on COVID-19. The NDC leader again impressed upon the current administration to give serious consideration to suggestions that were already given.
We believe that certain proactive measures can still be implemented to help win the fight. Therefore, once again, the NDC calls on government to consider taking on board the following recommendations. 1. Identify and outfit a national quarantine shelter where people showing symptoms and/or testing positive but not requiring hospitalization will be housed. This facility will separate such persons from the rest of the community.
The political leader added that government should be sensitive to the social realities in which people live in tight spaces or clustered closely in the same yard.
In many instances, social distancing is almost impossible, and self-isolation is definitely impossible. Our existing Public Health Act makes provision for this very situation, and so far we have seen no good reason why the provision of those laws are not applied.
Among the recommendations are building testing capacity, providing adequate protective equipment for health officials and police, as well as giving ample notice before a country lockdown to prevent mass gathering. I am Gerard Joseph for GBN News.